Okay, hi, I'm Carrie. And I'm back. And this is the final episode of this three-part series of cleaning out, deep cleaning, Kenmore / Whirlpool direct drive washing machine. So you can compare the before and after. There's still some calcium buildup, here and there in the bottom, but overall, the sides are much cleaner, as you can see. And I got that's the outer plastic basket that holds all the water, and this is the inner basket that you put your clothes in. And here's the inside, which wasn't so bad. The inside's always kind of clean, but it was the outside basket that inner basket, the outside of the inner basket that you never really see. But so you could see, I went and scrubbed everything out pretty good. Still a little bit left here and there, but hopefully that will all come out when I do the first wash. So there's that. And so we'll put this basket right inside here, and then this is the collar, and this was pretty atrocious as well. So this collar will go on top of everything, and I've pretty much cleaned it. And this little spider there. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, he's gone. So that's pretty much it. So this is ready to go another 20 years, nice and clean, and still running. 19.9 years later. This amazing Whirlpool direct drive washing machine. Yeah, I have to put a new pump on there, so a new $8 pump, which I will do as well, and then we'll have some clean clothes. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good one.